Alright, right now okwogera kwa Robert Kyagulanyi Center Bobi Wine ngali e Bukedea. Njagala muwulirize ebigambo bya Bobi Wine n'obwegendereza. Wano ali Bukedea district ewava Anita Mo. Watch the video.
I know time is running, but please come, even if you just say your name and step away. Jesus, I know time is fast running out. Today we were supposed to campaign in Bukedea. Even the Electoral Commission program says we are supposed to campaign in Bukedea. But the police and the military, they close the road and say we cannot go to Bukedea. But I am very happy because the people here will take the message to Bukedea and even beyond Bukedea. Now I want to be very brief. My brothers and sisters, it has been 40 years. 10, 20, 30, 40 years you have never seen another leader. 40 years of bad roads. 40 years of poverty. In those 40 years, 20 women die every day because the hospitals are bad. In those 40 years, we lose 300 children every day because the hospitals are bad. Now, I am here to tell you that we have an opportunity to change all that. For us, we are presenting ourselves to lead you to that promised land. But we cannot get there unless if we are walking with you. Now they are trying to block us from reaching the people. Because they know when we reach you and talk to you, you will open your eyes and see the truth. Now the people of Bukedea, the people of Kachumbali and the people of Teso, I know that Museveni does like the colonialists used to do. He comes into a community, he picks up 2 or 3 or 5 people. He feeds them well, and then they cheat the rest of you. I want you people to decide. And all of us, the people of Uganda, to decide. Whether we are going to have champagne for a few people, or clean drinking water for everybody. Whether we are going to have one woman who has so much money that is supposed to belong to 1 million people, or we are going to use that money to improve the schools and the hospitals in this area so that everybody enjoys. Now here where we are, 50 years ago the railway transport was functioning here. I know that every 5 years Museveni promises to give you back his cows that he stole. And that has been going on for 40 years. Even the elders are starting to die away. And now he has come and told you that he's going to give 5 cows to everybody if you vote for him. I am glad that you've already decided that no cow, no cow, no cow. If Museveni wants votes, let him first bring the cows in now. And you know he will not do it because he's a liar. Last year I came with my fellow leaders here and we signed a memorandum of understanding with the elders in Teso. That just like all other war claimants in Uganda, the people of Teso must be compensated, and they must be compensated adequately, fully, and very fast. But we also bring here an idea of a new Uganda. A Uganda where all of us are going to be equal before and under the law. A Uganda where to get a government job, it's not going to depend on your tribe or your religion. A Uganda free of corruption. A Uganda doctors and even security officers are paid very well and on time. I know that you, the people of Kachumbala and the people of Bukedea, they've denominated your candidates and denied you the chance to vote the leaders of your choice. Bukedea aponi imika esapatakusa iwadi kaum apele kina imik eido adema kinesa pedori nase unengara no lebete sa aipupa kekiro. But I'm here to tell you that for me I'm still in the race. And my mission is to remove Museveni. And after we remove Museveni, we shall remove all the thieves that Museveni has been using. I want to promise you, the people of Kachumbala, the people of Teso, that we are going to have real democracy. Never again will they choose leaders for you. You will choose leaders yourselves. Therefore, I'm asking all of you, brothers and sisters, that on the 15th of January, we are going to make a very important decision. Those of you who are here, you are the fearless ones. I know many people have been intimidated by police and military. I know as we speak right now, even the people in Bukedea are following us on TikTok right now. But again, I want to ask you who are present here, please be the agent of this message. Please be the Bobi Wine of Kachumbala. Please be the Bobi Wine of Bukedea. Make sure you send this message far and wide. Museveni thinks by blocking the road and stopping me from going to Bukedea that the people will not get this message. Among does not want the world to know. I am telling you this, after we change our country, every citizen is going to be a real boss and the leaders will be servants. Now because time is running fast, and I don't want to give those people a reason to brutalize you. Is our country and we can change it. chana kedi nachana Uganda ra kwa puokido ipedoro na ipeloki na kwa poko. On the 15th of January we are going to vote, and please vote for the umbrella. Atomo na kani loso na chaki do ipotesa loso. People power. Our power. NUP everywhere. Kumamnyai. Thank you very much for listening to me, brothers and sisters. Thank you. Let's keep fighting. Let's keep going.
Next one,